Hey, welcome to Mariya Shaikh art book. This video is focused on image tracing directly from Illustrator. If you have any composition you made on Photoshop or you made in your sketchbook through drawing pen or marker or pencil, what is medium you used to make your composition, your motif, your pattern in your sketchbook, or if you are making any design on your Photoshop, or if you are composing quickly different images on PS, you can bring here on Illustrator and trace it directly, so you manage your time accordingly. So process is just open Illustrator in your laptop and go into files and open box, go where you pick your image. I am taking my image from this area. So this is a pattern. I took it from Google Images, just giving you a demo. Open your image in Photoshop, just click on your image. For selection you must use this first arrow, selection arrow in your mouse. So go in above 1, 2, 3 object category, and after object just go image trace, and then just click on make and expand. So this image will be directly traced and in high resolution. If it's blur, if it's in different variation, color contrast, or it is not in that way, which can use in your design composition or pattern, if you are working in more aspects, you just focus on the tracing and then you save it. Or if you have Photoshop, you just open the Photoshop in second window and drag it like this in Photoshop directly and just work on it further. Okay, the second part is that if you want any area from this whole pattern, like if I want this diamond, I just double click on that and then I just drag it here. See, if I want this negative black space, this one, I just drag it. Sorry, let me check it again. Yeah, I just select it and then I can drag it in a different way. You can compose in a very different way with your small elements, small design lines, or any small motif which you want to recompose it. You can work on it here. Okay, if I bring it here, so it's give me another composition. See, so just follow this procedure and make your variation in your grids, patterns and layouts which we discussed before. Thank you so much.